In the studio now. The Kofago Dance Ensemble unites communities honoring the movements of the African culture.
That's right. They're joining us now with a special performance. Here is Kofago Dance Ensemble.
Good job.
That was dynamite.
Thank you, Kofago. Happy Kwanzaa, and thank you so much for joining us this morning.
And I'm going to give this mic to you because I know you are already mic'd.
I don't want to block everyone.
On this side of you.
Hello.
Welcome, Kofago.
Kofago.
Let me get that right.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about the dance ensemble?
Kofago Dance Ensemble, thank you very much. And thank you to the dancers.
Imani.
Jay.
Aisha.
Phil.
Bakari.
Josh.
Chelsea.
And we're Kofago Dance Ensemble. We were founded in 2015, and then it grew into a movement in 2018 after some tragic moments that happened in the Me Too movement.
Okay.
So one of the things that I try to do is make sure that it is a safe space for young people of color, and we do our work and have been doing our work for the past 7 years.
Well, thank you for that dynamite performance, and you're the choreographer. Can you tell us, from what I've learned with African dances, every movement, every choreography has a story. What was the story you all were telling us?
But this story, like, is a culture first. You know, like we've been growing and born with this culture. Like what we doing is coming natural for our body, you know. And the dance, you know, whatever you do, you just enjoy that.
Okay.
And we represent our ancestors. That's why everything we
You could feel that, like the spirit took over.
You feel
almost.
the esprit around you, around your body. That's why. And all of the story like we doing is the story like we live. You know, our ancestors bring to us and we reflect for that story and represent them.
Love that.
That's why we're here.
Kevin, I want to ask, throughout Kwanzaa, where else can we see Kofago perform during the celebration?
So we already had our major Kwanzaa celebration event on December 14th, but what people can do is that they can stream that event online from the comfort of their homes. Just go to our website, kwanzaacelebration.org, and you can check on the website and click to live stream it from the site. We have 2 shows. We have an adult show and a children's show that we had on December 14th. And what we want to do, and thank you for having us on the show, we want to just share that with the rest of the world so they can sit from their homes and watch it in the comfort of their own homes while they celebrate these next 7 days of Kwanzaa.
Oh, thank you so much. Kofago, the Dance Ensemble, celebrating Kwanzaa with us here at Good Day New York. And I know you guys they're out of breath over here.
Yes. I was going to ask one of you to teach me a dance move. We got to go to weather. I'm going to take off my shoes.
All right, she's taking off shoes. No, you ready? You ready?
Go to weather.
That's what we here
Show
for.
me a little something really quick.
There you go,
Take it to
Bakari.
Come on, what do we got?
Something easy, huh?
Something easy.
Be prepared. Position. Up. We go 1
1
and 2.
2.
Yes. 1
1
and 2.
We gotta do that to music now,
You
Tashani.
do the arm first.
Yeah.
2.
And now we'll go to weather as I get my move on.
Try to
Moves
top
on.
this, Mike Woods. Try to top
Mike,
this.
you don't know anything about this.
You pull that all together, and then we'll see what happens in the end. All right, and nice to see you, and great to have everybody. Happy Kwanzaa.
Practice now.
Yes, yes. Looks good for us here. All right, here's what we got going on for us here. We are going to see some sunshine out there for the first day of Kwanzaa. As
All right.
All right, Mike, thank you
dancing.
so much. We're going to thank the Kofago Dance Ensemble for celebrating Kwanzaa with us and your beautiful performance. And as we say goodbye to you this morning, our own Tashani Whitlow is going to dance it out and do her own Kwanzaa performance.
Happy
and you guys
Kwanzaa,
can play us out.
everyone.
Happy Kwanzaa, everyone.
Woo.
And let's hear it. You guys can now play before Good Day New York ends. Have a fabulous Good Day New York.
Yes.
As Tashani.
Come on, Tina. Come on in those red bottoms.
I got the heels on.